तृतीयोऽध्यायः कर्मयोगः। Chapter 3. अर्जुनोवाच जयसि चेत् कर्मण्यस्ते मता बुद्धिर्जनार्दन तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे मां नियोजयसि केशव. Arjun said, O Janardan, if you consider that intelligence related to bhakti, which is beyond the modes, is superior to action, then why, O Keshav, are you engaging me in this ghastly activity of fighting? Vyamishanev vakyeyen buddhi moya siva me tadekam vad nishchittaya yeno shayam apunuyam. My intelligence is somewhat bewildered by your apparently ambiguous statements. Please, therefore tell me decisively which path will be most beneficial for me. Shri Bhagavan uvacha loke asmin dvida nishta pura prokta maya nagha jnana yogena sankhyayanam karma yogena yoginam. Shri Bhagavan said, O sinless Arjun, I have already explained clearly that there are two types of firm faith in this world. The faith of the Sankhyavadi Jnanis is in the path of Jnana Yoga, and that of the Yogis is in Nishkam Karma Yoga. Na karma nam anarambhan nishkarmyam purusho ashnutehe na cha sannyasanadev siddhim samdhi gacchati. Without performing karma as prescribed in Shastra, a person cannot attain knowledge in the form of nishkarmya, nor can a person with an impure heart attain perfection merely by renouncing action, sannyas. Nahi kaschit shanamapi jatu tishtati karma kret karyati hai avasha karma sarva prakriti janer gune. No one can remain without performing action, even for a moment. Everyone is impelled to act under the influence of such qualities such as attachment, envy, and so on, which are born of his nature. Karmi indriyani samyamya ya aste manasa smaran indriyartham vimudatma mithyacharaha sa uchyate. A deluded person who forcefully controls his working senses while internally meditating on sense objects is to be known as a hypocrite. Yastavindriyani manasa niyam arabhate arjuna karmindriya karma yogam asakta sa vishishyate. O Arjun, a person who performs action with his working senses, karmindriyas, according to the injunctions of Shastra, but who has controlled his senses by his mind, and who is free from all fruitive desires, is superior to the hypocrite who refrains from activity. Niyatam kuru karma tvam karma jayayo hi akarmana sharira yatrapi chate na prasiddheta karmana. Perform your prescribed duties such as sandhya and upasana, because action means karma is better than inaction, akarma. If you refrain from action, you will not even be able to maintain your body. Yajnanarthat karmano natra loko yam karma bandhanaha tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangaha samachara. O Kaunteya, all actions other than Nishkam karma offered to Shri Vishnu are a cause of bondage to this world. Therefore, become free from all desires for the fruits of your actions and perform appropriate action solely for his satisfaction. Saha yagya praja srishtva पुरोवाच प्रजापतिः अनेन प्रसविष्यध्वमेश वो अस्ति इष्टकामधु. In the beginning of creation, Prajapati Brahma created Brahmins who were qualified to perform yajna, and also men, devas, and all other subjects. He then blessed them, saying, "May you prosper by this yajna, and may it fulfill all your desires." Devan bhavayatanena te deva bhavayantu vaha parasparam bhavayantaha shreya param vapyasyatha. May you please the devas by this yajna, and may they please you in turn by granting you your desired fruits. Satisfying one another in this way, you will attain the supreme auspiciousness. Ishtan bhogani hi vo deva dasyante yagga bhavitaha terdatan apradeyebhyo yo bhunkte stena eva saha. Being pleased by your yajna, the devas will award your desired goals. Therefore, a person who enjoys the ingredients given by the devas without first offering them to the devas is certainly a thief. Yajna shishtasina santo muchyante sarva kilvisha bunjate te tav agham papa ye pachyanti atma karana. Saintly persons who accept the remnants of yajna become free from all sins. But those who cook grains and other foodstuffs for their own sake are sinful and certainly partake of sin. Ananad bhavanti bhutani prajannayad anna sambhava yajñād bhavati prajanyo yajñāha karma samudbhava. All living beings are born from food grains, which are produced from rain. Rains are produced from yajna, and yajna is born of prescribed duties. Karma brahmodbhavam vidhi brahma akshara samudbhavam tasmāt sarvagatam brahma nityam yajna pratishtitam. Know that prescribed duties are inspired by the Vedas, and that the Vedas originate from Achyuta. The all-pervading Brahma is therefore always situated in yajna. Evam pravartitam chakram nanu vartayatiha yaha aghayu indriya ramo mogam partha sajivati. O Partha, in this world, one who does not follow this cycle of karma, which is established by the Vedas, becomes attached to his senses and engaged in sinful activities. Thus he lives in vain. Yastav atma ratir eva syad atma triptascha manavaha atmani eva cha santushtastas tasya karjam na vidhayate. However, a person who delights in the self and who remains contented and satisfied in the self has no duties to perform. Neva tasya krite nartho na krite neha kaschana na chasya sarva bhuteshu kaschid artha vipashraya. One who is Atmaram does not attain any virtue by performing action in this world, nor does he incur any fault through not acting, and nor does he need to depend on any jiva in the universe for attaining his purpose. Tasmad asaktaha satatam karjam karma samachara asakto hi acharam karma param apnoti purushaha. Therefore, always perform your prescribed duties without attachment. By working in this way, a person attains moksha. Karmana eva hi samsiddhim astitha janakadhaya lok sangraham evapi sampashyan kartum arhasi. Saintly kings such as Janak attains supreme perfection by performing karma. Therefore, in consideration of setting an idol for people in general, you should perform your prescribed duty. Yad yad acharati shreshtas evataro janaha se yad paramanam kurute lokastad anuvartate. Common people will follow the behavior of a great man, and the whole world will emulate the standards that he sets. Name parthasti kartavyam trishu lokeshu kinchana nanavapta vaptavyam varta evacha karmani. O Partha, I have no need to perform prescribed duties, because there is nothing within the three worlds that I cannot attain, nor is there anything that I desire to attain. Even so, I am always engaged in performing prescribed duties. Yadi hiyam na vartayam jatu karmani atindritaha mam vartamanu vartante manushyaha partha sarvashaha. O Partha, if I ever fail to engage vigilantly in my prescribed duties, common people would certainly imitate me in all respects. Utsidyor ime loka na kurjam karma chedaham sankarasya cha karta syam upahanyam imaha prajaha. If I do not perform karma, then everyone would become degraded, and I would become the cause of promoting Varna Sankara. In this way, I would be instrumental in the destruction of the entire population. Saktaha karmanye vidvanso yatha kurvanti bharata kurjyad vidvams tatha saktas chikishur loka sangraham. O descendant of Bharat, ignorant people perform karma with attachment. Those who are wise should also work, but without attachment, to set an idol for the people in general. Na buddhi bhedam janeyeda ajnanam karma sanginam yojyet sarva karmani vidvan yuktah samacharan. One who is learned and experienced in Jnana Yoga should not bewilder the intelligence of ignorant people by inducing them to give up their prescribed duties to engage in the culture of Jnana. Rather, by properly performing all his own actions in a composed and detached state of mind, he should encourage them to engage in their own prescribed duties. Prakrite kriyamani gunaha karmani sarvashaha ahankara vimudatma kartaham iti manyate. All aspects of material activity are performed by the modes of material nature, but a person whose intelligence is bewildered by false ego thinks himself to be the doer. Tattva vittu mahabaho guna karma vibhagayoho guna guneshu vartanta iti matva na sajjate. O Mahabaho Arjun, one who is Tattvavit, who knows that the soul is aloof from the gunas and also knows the laws of karmas, does not falsely identify himself as the doer, because he understands that the senses are engaged in their respective sense objects. He is aloof from them. Prakriti gun samuraha sajjante gun karmasu tan krishna vido mandan krishna vinna vichalaye. Those absorbed in the three gunas become attached to sense objects, but those who are complete in knowledge should not unsettle such uninformed and less intelligent persons. Mai sarvani karmani sannyase dhyatma chetasa nirasho nirmimmo bhutva yudhyasva vigatta jvaraha. With your mind fixed in the self and offering all your activities to me, being freed from desire, possessiveness and lamentation, fight. Ye me matam idam nityam anutishtanti manavaha श्रद्धान्वतो अनुसूयन्तो मुच्यन्ति ते अपि कर्मभिः. Those who are free from fault finding, who have complete faith in me, and who always abide by this desire of mine, are liberated from the bondage of karma. Ye te etad abhyasuyanto nanutishtanti me matam sarvagya vimudam stan vidhi nashtana chetasaha. But know that those envious persons who do not follow these instructions of mine are bereft of discrimination, devoid of all true gyan, and are ruined in all their endeavors for perfection. Sadrisham cheshtate swasyaha prakritir jnanarvanapi prakritim yanti bhutani nigraha kim karishyati. Even a wise man acts according to his own acquired disposition. For all beings follow their respective natures. What can be achieved by repression? Indriya se indriya se arthe raga dvesho vyavastito tyorna vasam agacche tohi asya paripannito tyorna vasam agacche tohi asya paripantino. All the senses are invariably controlled by attachment and aversion to their respective objects. Therefore, one should never come under their sway, because such attachment and aversion impede auspiciousness for the sadhaka. Shayan sadharmo vigunaha paradharma swanushtita swadharma nidhanam shreya paradharmo bhayavaha. It is far better to execute one's swadharma, even though imperfectly, than to perform another's duty perfectly. It is better to die discharging one's own duty in accordance with the varnashram system than to engage in another's duty, for it is dangerous to follow another's path. Arjuna vachaha athakena prayuktoyam papan charati purushaha anichan api varshaneya balad eva niyojitaha. Arjun said, O descendant of Vrishni, what is it that forcibly impels a person to engage in sinful activities, although he is unwilling to do so? Shri Bhagavan uvachaha kama esha krodha esha rajogun samudbhava mahashano mahapapma vidhinam iha verinam. Shri Bhagavan said, this desire to enjoy sense objects, which indeed transforms into wrath, is born of passion. It is all-devouring and extremely formidable. Know it to be the primary enemy of the jivas in this world. Dhumena vriyete vanir yathadrishyo malena cha yathol valena avrito garbhas tadhate nadam avritam. Just as fire is covered by smoke, a mirror by dust, and an embryo by the womb, true knowledge of the jiva remains covered by degrees of lust. Avritam jnanam etena jnanino nityam verina kama rupena kaunteya dushpurenana cha. O Kaunteya, the true knowledge of the wise is covered by the eternal enemy in the form of karma, which burns like fire and can never be satiated. Indriyani manobuddhir syadhishtanam uchyate eter vimohayeti esha jnanam avrita dehinam. The senses, mind and intelligence are said to be the dwelling place of this desire to enjoy. With their help, this lust covers the knowledge of the jiva and completely bewilders him. Tasmatvam indriyani yado niyamaha bharata shabaha पापमानं प्रजाह्येनं ज्ञानविज्ञाननाशनम्. Therefore, O best of the descendants of Bharat, first control your senses in order to completely slay this evil Kam, which is the destroyer of both Gyan, wisdom, and Vigyan, realization of me. Indriyani parani ahur indriyabhya paramam manaha manastu para buddhirya paratastu saha. The senses are said to be superior to inert matter, and the mind is superior to the senses. The intelligence is superior to the mind, and he, the Atma, is superior even to the intelligence. Evam buddhe param buddhva samstabhya atmanam atmana jahi shatrum mahabaho kamarupa durasadam. O Mahabaho, in this way, knowing the Jivatma to be superior to the intelligence, control the mind with the pure intelligence that is related to the true self, and destroy this insatiable enemy in the form of Kam, the desire to enjoy. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjun Samvade Karma Yogo Nama Trityo Adhyayah.